Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F23 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list. Here we have defined obviously the contact we'd like to edit and tap on it and pick this info icon. Now let's tap on this camera icon right in the middle, and as you can see, here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. So we've got the stickers and AR emoji, but we've got also the camera and gallery. So after tapping on the camera, your device will simply open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got a person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or we can pick something from the gallery, so for example from previously taken photos or downloaded ones. So I will pick the gallery and of course give all the permissions. And here just find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. And as you can see, after tapping, here from this step you will be able to change the position of this circle, actually the square, change the position of it. You can zoom in or out the photo, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this area, this highlighted circle, is responsible for it. So if you are done, if you are ready, just tap on done simply. As you can see, it has been immediately applied to the contact, so remember to tap on save here. And as you can see, here we've got our contact, and after getting back to the list, to the contacts, you can see the applied photo. What's more, you will also be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from the number, for example. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy F23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.